Hey everybody, Kevin Walters here with Kevin's Auto Channel. I'm glad you tuned in today. Now today I'm going to be doing a couple of mods to the truck, or upgrades if you want to call them. Now this video is sponsored by COVERADO. COVERADO is known for their quality luxurious leather seat covers, but they also make some other products, one of which you'll see today. So let's get right into it. So what do we have behind door number one? There it is, COVERADO. Now, what they sent to me to try out is their carbon fiber weave floor mats. So let's open this box and take a look. Let's pull these babies out. Oh yeah, even through the packing, that carbon fiber weave looks really, really nice. So give me a second, let me pull these out of the pack and we'll take a closer look at them. So, it may not look like it, but these mats are actually made of 4 layers. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so on the top you have the textile carbon fiber weave material. Now I can say This feels really good. Doesn't feel too slippery. It doesn't feel like it will wear through quickly. Plus they have a protective foot pad here where you can rest your heel on, so that's nice. And also you have your factory buttons, in this case for my Ford F-150, so they will secure in place. Now the middle layer on these mats is a premium TPR fabric, and that is good for your flame retardant and waterproofness. Now these mats are advertised as being waterproof, so if you spill something on them, no big deal. Now the third layer in here is a nylon fiber, and that nylon fiber is for the ultimate comfort and cushioning. So they do have a little bit of cushion to them. As you can see, they are thick, and they have a nice sewn rubber binding around the edge, so to hold all these layers together and give it more durability and more protection. And then finally, on the back right here, you will see a very industrial non-slip suede, similar to Velcro. So what the purpose of that is to keep these floor mats from sliding around in your truck. Now I left this one upside down just to demonstrate. When you put this one on top, it doesn't move. So that will be extra good. What do you say we take out the old standard carpet floor mats and put in these nice COVERADO carbon fiber weave floor mats? Of course, the first step to installing these floor mats is please vacuum out your truck first, because you don't want to mess these up with dirt and everything. All right, so we are just going to slide that up into place, find our little button, secure that down, and secure our other button. There we go. And there's even a covering here for your dead pedal, so you do have dead pedal protection also. Going from the old ugly standard carpet floor mats to these carbon fiber weave floor mats is a big upgrade, and with my gray interior, they look awesome contrasting against the black carpet. So give me a second, let me install the rest, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe and like these videos. It helps the channel out a whole lot. It helps us grow. So please just take 1 second, hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to turn on the bell for notifications of videos. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us out a whole lot. And there we go, just like that. Take a look. Very, very nice. Very, very clean. Looks great. Really upgrades the look from these factory black stock carpeted floor liners. As you can see here, these had the rubber feet on the back, so they're okay. They protect your carpet, but in my opinion, COVERADO definitely looks better. You can find them on the COVERADO website or on Amazon.